Many people who have over-the-range microwaves don't clean or replace the filters as often as they should. In this video, we will show you how to clean your unit's grease filters and replace the charcoal filter. The grease filters are located on the bottom of your microwave. These generally will pop out without any tools. These filters are greasy to the touch when they are dirty. To clean them, use a grease-fighting soap and warm water. Be sure to avoid products with ammonia. You will know when the filters are clean by their look and feel. When they are dry, replace them under the unit. Most manufacturers recommend cleaning these once a month. The charcoal filter is located behind the vent near the top of the unit. There will be 2 or 3 screws on top of the microwave that keep the vent in place. Remove these, and you will then be able to pop off the vent. Simply remove the old filter and insert the new one. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the charcoal filter every 6 months for optimal performance. Be sure to consult your owner's manual for any cleaning or replacement guidelines specific to your unit.